It says, please don't feed the ducks. Wow, look at them. Very nice, aren't they? I like the ship's wheel. Very cool, isn't it? Please keep your arms, legs and heads inside the boat at all times.
Okay.
What's that duck going to do? Look. What's that duck going to do? Oh, we're going, we're moving. Oh my God.
Oh dear.
What's the duck going to do? Come on, duck. What's he going to do?
He wants to feed the dog.
Yeah, he loves it, doesn't he? That's so funny. Wow.
I think Astrobot get inside the room.
Look, you can see up there, look, you can see the coach ride, look. That's fun. Look, there's a duck again, look. There's a duck, look. He's loving that. Bit bumpy, isn't it, this? Bumpy boat ride. Used to stay in there. Where's that duck gone? Where's that duck? There's one on the side here, look. Look. Hello, duck. And then the one in the water, look, he's loving it. He loves the boat ride, doesn't he? Please disembark your boat.
Look.
Look. Hello.
He wants to dive in the water.
He does, doesn't he? It's really cool. Go. Up there. Oh, there they go. Wow. They fell. Whoa. That's good. Oh my God. Whoa. That was fast. Let's go find the balloon ride. Go on, Zack, you lead the way. Go. Do you know how to get on it? That's it, yeah, you got it. Come on, man. How fast can you spin the balloon rides out? Oh, here we go. Yeah. Is it spinning now? Let's try and go this way.
Keep on giving.
It's a cool Peppa Pig World up here. All aboard for the balloon ride.
How about the car one? This is
Whoa.
quite
So fast.
Can I go at the back of the track?
Do you not want to go next to Grandpa Pig?
No, thank you.
We're at the back of Grandpa Pig's train. Here we go. Wow.
Yeah,
Never
the wheels are growing up.
They are, aren't they? Yeah. There we go, look. I like this hill. Oh, isn't it?
Final lap.
Final lap. One lap to go.
Is it slow? Is it bumpy?
Not really. Oh, isn't it?
Is that Holly?
It is holly, yeah. Don't put your hand out. Whoa, you'll get spiked on the holly.
Like Astrobot.
Yeah. There we go, into the station. Oh, there we go. That's good. Are you going to open the gate? How do you open the gate? Oh, wow, look at that. That's cool. Let's go. That's it, slide back.